Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair on like a day-to-day basis. So this is what my hair looks like. I've only brushed it today. I did have it styled yesterday, so this is like second day style. My hair is actually like very straight. Yeah, I don't have these waves naturally. But yeah, I thought I'd just take you guys with me and show you guys what products I use, how I style my hair, and all that. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching this video. Welcome back to my bathroom. So the first step, brushing your hair. I have already brushed my hair, but my hair gets tangled easily, so I'm just going to brush it again. Not gonna lie, my hair's like a little greasy. It's not super bad, but I am gonna put some of the Not Your Mother's Texturizing Beach Babe Dry Shampoo. I'm working on getting better at like volumizing my hair because that's a huge problem with my hair, is just not having a lot of volume. You guys know any tips or tricks? Please, let me know. Take a claw clip and I'm just gonna section out my hair. I usually just do 2 sections because I don't want it to be like too crazy, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I do like basically half and half. And I just comb it through with my fingers. Then I like to use the Wavy Talk. This is like the 5-in-1 curling wand. This is the probably 1 inch. This is probably a 1 inch curling wand barrel. And I like to do like sections about this big, like kind of thicker sections. And then just kind of leave the ends out and hold them there for, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. I think I need to turn the brightness down. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Just like however my hair kind of just naturally sections off, that's kind of like the size sections that I do. And I leave probably about 2 inches, probably really close to 2 inches of my hair out, and then I get curls like this, like little waves. And I just repeat that on my whole head. I'm watching Tangled right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn Tangled back on. Something I forgot to mention is that when I get like to these end pieces that are right by my face, I go around twice just because like they are longer. I always check the back of my head. Looks pretty good. I don't often do. Sometimes I do like go back and forth with the curls, but I usually just curl away from my face. I personally like more uniform curls. I don't particularly care if my curls look natural. I just kind of like more uniform curls. So then I let down the second section of my hair and basically do the same thing, except these pieces, since they're like my top hair pieces, I normally go around most of them twice. It's like I go around the barrel twice for most of them. This one I kind of do go like a little bit back and forth, kind of just depending on how I feel. If I want to do all of them like this, or if I want to kind of like back and forth, do like one. And then have some that are a little bit curlier and some that aren't. It just kind of depends on the day. So then the next thing is like a little bit run my fingers through it. I don't want to break up the curls too much. And then I pull my hair back into a claw clip, which also cute. And then I get my bangs ready. My bangs are something I've been struggling with. I'm still not 100% sure what I'm doing with them. I've been using the Timo Airflow on them, and sometimes I use the Wavy Talk, like the barrel. It's hard. I don't know. I still haven't quite figured it out yet. So I'm just gonna get this going. This is my favorite thing to use, but it just kind of depends on the day, really, what I'm feeling like using. Because I have these little short pieces that I tried to cut, and then I cut some of them way too short. So, you know, I don't ever really know what I'm doing here. Honestly, that may have been one of my best times doing my bangs. And then, yeah, then we just like kind of brush them back. Bam. Bam. Then, it was hairspray. This is the Suave Max Hold. It says unscented. It definitely still smells like hairspray, but I've tried to use like those other, like the spray ones, you know, like the shh, not this kind, and I swear they don't work as well. So that is my hair style. That was seriously like the best time of me doing my bangs in a while. Like I've been struggling with my bangs, and I feel like that actually turned out so well, which is crazy. I hit record and I did not stop recording, and that only took me like 15 minutes, which is crazy because it feels like hours when I'm actually doing it. But what do you guys think? It's basically just what my hair already was, but like revamped, and it'll last all day. It will not last through sleeping, but it will last all day. I would love to have like big voluptuous hair. My hair is thin and straight, so that doesn't happen. But yeah, that is how I do my hair. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you just want to know like a good everyday hairstyle, I would obviously recommend you use heat protectant spray. I don't, because I just currently don't have any. And my hair is pretty healthy. I mean, the last time I actually went to a hairstylist, I had done a bunch of crap to my hair over the years, and she said that my hair actually felt really healthy. So like, highly recommend, but you know, it's fine. But anyway, yeah. What do you guys think? Do you think it's cute? Do you think you would do your hair like this? It's very simple. I love it. I feel like my bangs just turned out like so good today. I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single Saturday, sometimes Sundays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.